Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Hello geniuses. In today's video, let's have a look at how to calculate simple percent. Now, one of my students was telling me that on internet they saw a very simple way of doing it, and why is it so complicated? Well, that simple way I'm going to show you today, and I'm also going to show you the logic of how to do it. That simple way is only applicable when you see so many zeros floating around. Otherwise, to be honest, it's not that simple. And let me show you how. So on the internet, this is very popular these days. You know, on a video they will cancel this and they will do 3 times 6 and they will make it 18. It's great answer. Actually, it's right. Yes, but let's understand the logic of cancelling these two zeros, because you cannot. Technically, you cannot do you're not cancelling these two zeros with each other. But let me show you what you actually are doing, okay? With this example, let's see. So you will do 50. And if you remember from my previous video, it's 50%, right? So 50% of turns into a multiply of 20. Right, then you this zero you can cancel with this zero you can cancel with this, and 5 times 2 is 10. So in essence, yes, you are multiplying this number with this number, but you're not canceling this zero with this zero like this in this equation. And that's important to understand, because as I said, one of my students was very perplexed with this and was like, why is it so difficult to calculate, right? Right, so now they very boastingly, such videos always say that that this is so simple, but look at the equation now. Can you do that? Can you cancel those zeros with zeros and find the answer and multiply just the two numbers? You can't anymore, right? And that's why understanding the process is more important than simply solving it, right? So anyone can solve it with using that method and those simple questions. Unfortunately, life is not that simple. Your teachers will not test you on such simple questions, right? So let's follow the process along together. So it will be 37% of 200, right? These two zeros can cancel these two zeros, and 37 times 2 is, can someone tell me what it is? It is 74. Okay. Similarly, as you see here, it's 65% of 300. Why don't you pause the video and try to solve it yourself? Well, I think all of you got the answer right, but let's do it together. So 65% of 300. 0 cancels 0. 65 times 3 is 195. So as you see, that logic of just cancelling zeros and multiplying the numbers falls flat. And that's what will happen. So yes, for entertainment purposes, learn that. Sure, it looks very nice, but do understand the logic behind it. And at the end, as I always say, easy, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.